What type of urinals again? I forget from slide to slide. These are two what urinals? Chris Assard.
Wall lit.
Yep. Those are two wall lips urinals. One is at a handicap height. The other one is at a regular height. Should know what the roughing heights are as you're looking at them. There's a floor drain in the vicinity. Who can tell us the minimum size of a floor drain? 2-inch. Don't forget that. Here's the harder question. Which of the following basic principles applies to what you're seeing in the drawing? So basic principle number 23, there are 26 of them. Again, lots of questions.